the Burney Falls Memorial State Park. This waterfall drops 129 feet and creates a mist so cool you can feel it from the trail. The hike down is short and perfect for families. Our kids love spotting wildlife and hearing the roar of the falls get louder with every step. When you reach the bottom, the view is just incredible. The water is crisp and blue, and there are spots to dip your toes if you're feeling brave. With plenty of picnic tables, clean restrooms, and easy trails, Burney Falls is a perfect day trip for families who love the outdoors. If you're ever nearby, you have to see this place for yourself.